box.
Kid box, yes. Cool. Those are so cute.
And now, I have my pens.
Let's take them out real quick so I can see them.
These are the best pens ever. One of them says Kid Pens.
Kid Pick.
Kid Pick pen.
Cool.
So now today I'm going to pick out some more stuff.
What is those?
Some shorts.
Cute.
I have a cute.
Oh, that is so pretty.
And I have a long belt with purple. My favorite color.
Cute. That'll go with some of your other Kid Pick outfits.
And I love this sugar shirt.
That's so cute.
So cute.
And it'll be nice and cool in the summer.
And it will be nice and cool for the summer and so nice. Look at these long pants that I can even fit.
Cute. Those fit good.
Even though my shirt is not. They are.
Okay, keep going.
And today that's gonna be all.
And that's it. What's your favorite piece? And the shoes? Those are cute. Okay. So, did you like this box?
Yes.
Awesome. Give it a thumbs up. Okay.
Bye guys. See you on Monday. Love you all.